Imagine someone handed you $1,000 right now and said, invest this money wisely. The person did not give you any rules, the person did not give you any secrets and any playbook to invest. Now you are stuck. If you invest this money, there's a possibility that you might lose it and blow it away. If you don't invest this money, there's a possibility that inflation would come and eat this money away. You turn left, you are doomed. You turn right, you are also doomed. Meanwhile, you are flipping through the news, cryptocurrency news, stock charts. You are seeing other investors, they are flipping money as if they were given a secret playbook to win this market. The reality that just hits you is this. This situation that you have been faced with is not just something that you're imagining, it's something that is a function of analysis paralysis. And you are yet to just make that decision to go forward and start. Now, the reality is this: every investor that you have ever seen that you admire, even I myself, have faced this type of problem. So you are not alone in this sea. Most of the time, we just don't wake up to know what we do. We have disciplined ourselves over time. And what we've done is that we've just done it like Nike would say it. We just entered the market and took the first step, and it became what clearer to us because we decided to move forward. So today, I'm going to give you the money mastery playbook. You can win in this. Always, if you are a, a very ardent follower of the Rume Dominic brand, you will know that I say the game isn't just about, so it is a system based trading style that will help you to win. A lot of you want to start trading cryptocurrencies, you want to start trading stock market, and then you take your capital and just infuse it, all capital, the chunk of it into one trade. That is not how to trade. If you are still trading like that, it then means you need to join the Vorem Academy for us to teach you how to use system-based trading to win. In system-based trading, you use a portion of your portfolio. So just imagine you have $1,000. And in our system-based trading style, I would say use 10% of your portfolio to trade or enter into a particular signal. Like this morning, we've told them to buy Ondo because it's a reward asset. Ondo, which is a reward asset, we say enter it using system-based type of trading. With system-based type of trading, you will use 10% of your portfolio out of that $1,000. So you will use $100 out of that $1,000. And then just imagine that you are in profit, 30% profit up, you'll be at $130 up. Even though you are in a loss, 30% 30% loss, you would be losing less than 10% of your what capital. And this is how smart traders, smart money, they trade in the market. And this will definitely work for you, whether you're using $10, $100, or $1,000. So here's what you need to do right now. I want you to ask yourself these different questions. The first question you must ask yourself is that, what's the best move for your money? And then once you ask yourself this question, that what's the best move for my money, the next thing that you need to do is to start. Open that investment account, whether it's a crypto account, it's a stock account, and make some deposits and just do it. The next thing that you must understand that you need to do is to what? Diversify. You need to then research the different asset class. Do you want to focus on real estate, silver, gold, crypto, palm oil production, sand dredging, the different asset class that your money will definitely be giving you the highest return on your what investments. Then look at it and rebalance your portfolio. That's the third thing you must do on the playbook, rebalancing. Rebalancing your portfolio would see that you track your net worth, identify the losers, identify the winners, and then double down again on the winners, asking yourself, is this risk of doubling down truly worth it? And then invest more into what is actually thriving. And then finally, once you've been able to rebalance your portfolio and double down, you need to stick to the plan. A lot of us start without the end in mind. But I must tell you, for you to win today in investing, you must stick to the plan. Sticking to the plan would mean that you have decided that this is the way you want to invest. I'm already investing in crypto. Yours will possibly be real estate, and then you automate it in such a way that you don't need to be there, because sometimes we forget. I have an automated savings in my bank account that helps me to save some money into my PiggyVest account, into my CarryWise account on a daily basis by 4 a.m. So I've automated this, so I don't need to go back there and transfer the money to that account. So it helps me to build that passive income that I can use for my what emergencies. The biggest secret that investors have is this: they make decisions, they take action, and then they do what? They move forward. Know this, that wealth is built by those who play the game, not by those who watch from the sidelines. So the question you need to ask yourself today is, am I willing to play the game? Drop a comment saying Money Mastery Monday. And until next time, my very good friends, see you.